Valentine's Day again. So if you don't have a lover or a date for Valentine's Day, don't worry, Netflix and chill is always there for you, right? No, I'm just kidding, but it's kind of true. So it doesn't have to be a sad day for you if you don't have a lover or a date. You can apply some makeup and girl, I got you, okay? Call your girlfriends, go out, have some fun, and maybe you will find your lover. Who knows? And having a boyfriend or a girlfriend is not everything in this world, okay? She or he will come, trust me. Until then, go out, have some fun. So I'm not very happy with the final result of this makeup because I'm looking in my mirror and this looks more like a grayish black, but I'm looking in my viewfinder and this looks black. So maybe it's just my lighting, I don't know, but I'm not very happy with this Bella.pr eyeshadow because when I blend this out, this turns into a grayish black and I'm not happy with that. And can you believe that I don't have a straight black pressed eyeshadow in my collection? Not that I have a crazy huge collection, but I have this Morphe palette. This is the 35W and this has a black eyeshadow in it, but trust me, this is even grayish than the Bella.pr, so not very happy either. And these lashes are very heavy on my eyes and I can barely see something, you know what I mean? So if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright, so I already concealed my lids and I use my Catrice concealer, and from my Subculture palette I'm taking the color Roxy and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. And I went a little bit crazy with that eyeshadow, you can see here, but that blended nicely. So next I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking the color Venetian Red and I'm going to follow the exact same steps I did with Roxy. And because I want that black eyeshadow to be very intense, I'm using a creamy base eyeshadow, and this dries too quick and it didn't give me enough time to buff that out, but it's fine because I managed to make it work. And then I'm taking some more and I'm going to hide my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies. So to set this creamy base, I'm taking my Bella.pr eyeshadow, and first I'm starting to buff those edges because we don't want any harsh lines in there. You can see here that it looks more gray than black and I wasn't happy with that, but yeah, I decided to go again with that black eyeshadow and adding more color and blending that out. And then I'm going back with Venetian Red and I'm buffing those edges, and then I added more black because it wasn't black enough. Off camera, I applied these Lavio lashes in the style New York, and it was my first time trying them and they feel heavy on the eyes. Maybe it's because I'm not used with thick band lashes, I don't know. For my bottom lash line, I'm starting with that creamy eyeshadow, then I'm smudging that out, and to blend everything out, I'm taking again Venetian Red and I'm connecting the bottom and the top eyeshadow at the end of my eye, and I'm kind of creating that cat eye effect. Next I'm going to apply some mascara, and I skipped that part because I always make those weird faces. I'm not very proud. Then I'm going to bronze a little bit my face with my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and for my blush I'm using NYX in Strictly Chic. To highlight my face, I'm using Glow Getter from the Glow Kit palette, and I'm applying that with a sponge because I think that makes a difference. I mean, I don't know, in my opinion, that makes it look more natural, if you know what I mean. Also, I'm using the same highlight to highlight my brow bone, my cupid's bow, my nose, my inner corners, basically my entire face. And to finish this makeup look, I'm going to apply a nude lip gloss because I already have the drama happening on my eyes, so I want to keep it simple for my lips. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Happy Valentine's Day. Hashtag safe sex. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah! Oh, my ears are red. I don't know why. Ignore that, okay? Why? They say all good boys go to heaven, but bad boys bring heaven to you.